Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. In this video, I will show you how to set up close-up playlist wallpaper for desktop. After finished, you will have a desktop like that. Now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First, upon you download file, I put in description below. You have this file, your exact file. After finished, you will have a folder with playlist wallpaper file inside. Okay. Now you go to Microsoft Store and download app playlist wallpaper. You click install. You click open. This is app interface. In this window, you click add wallpaper. Click open and links to a folder you download from my channel. You select playlist wallpaper file. Okay, and you see now desktop will change to a playlist wallpaper. You can scroll up the screen, minimize to system change. Okay, next step, you right click, view, unstick so desktop icon. As you see now, desktop clean. While app in start bar, you can right click and spin to make start bar become clean. About 3 apps, go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and change to off. Okay. Finally, you go to Microsoft Store again and find app just as Lucian TP. Install. You click open. Continue. Okay. Now start bar will change to transparent. For more options, you go to system change, left click to change Lucian TP icon. Go to desktop. All feature in here. Clear is transparent. So I already finished set up playlist wallpaper for my desktop. But you can make desktop look more beautiful by go to my channel. This is my channel. You go to playlist. Skin remaster for Windows desktop. In this playlist, you can review on video and select for you one package which you like. After finish setup, you will have a desktop like this. Okay. So I already showed you how to set up close-up wallpaper for desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.